that's good, man.
Just the leaves falling off.
Yeah, I can feel that stuff falling.
These ones are right here next to the.
Oh, okay. The tubes, you got another tube?
Do we need another tube?
No, no. There you go. And they
Those ones, they seem to spread out more. Is it just me?
No, those are big. Yeah.
No, I mean they.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one. Is there any more there?
You're right. Not even dark yet.
I know.
I'll tell you that 50 Sean there, that guy just lit off. I gotta get some of them next year. That made my day.
No, the big
The one
cake.
that they just kept going.
Oh, the cakes?
Yeah. I don't know the cake. I just go home.
Regular cakes like this, you shoot up the window, and then the ones that shoot full.
Oh, they got it. Yeah, a couple $100.
How many more of these logs? The ones that run over.
What's them? The whole pack is the whole pack.
Dennis having a good time with the little kid.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're doing it. I wanted to see the jump like this. Don't just
Oh, that one's gonna go up far. I
got
know.
3 more left, and then I have another 150. But they're not open yet. They're different. We've been picking these things for a while. We'll be rooting.
Hell yeah.
Fish population.
4th at the lake.
Steve said like some more big ones.
God bless America!
Steve said more mortars.